Alright, you guys, we are in the middle of nowhere. Not lost this time, though. Middle Earth, I think is where it is in Lord of the Rings, where it's, the passage. Really, realistically, we're in Mount Cook now. Like I said earlier, we're going to make it to Mount Cook. We're at Mount Cook, Aoraki. Actually, we're not there yet. It's all the way over there. You can see the snow up there, but yes, we are on the way there. We're supposed to be able to see the southern lights when we get there. I'm speaking really loud because it's windy, and I don't know if you can hear my voice in the wind. We're supposed to be able to see the southern lights really well from there, as well as the night gaze. So what I'm gonna try to do is snap a video on my camera. I got the A7S, so I'm gonna try and snap a video with the low light, take some pictures, and all that good stuff when we get up there, right? Currently at Mount Cook right now, but it is raining, and it's not so hard, but it is raining. So I'm gonna go ahead and change into my all-weather jacket. See this is my fly jacket, and now this is my all-weather jacket. See, now I'm ready to fight off bears and stuff. Oh, there's Governor's Bush. We found this little campsite. Oh, the mountain's behind me. We're going inside the shelter, because we might die. Alright guys, beautiful wilderness. So the plan is to camp out here, this nice pathway I've got. Hopefully the rain goes away, because I'm not going to be able to see anything through those clouds. So we're just trying to see if we can get out of that. Bye. What's up, you guys? It's really dark in here because I'm in the car. I'm still at Mount Cook, and it's raining a lot and thunder loud. That was really stupid. Yeah, the weather kind of ruined my plans. As you can see, I'm in the car. I don't know if you can see my windshield. So the plan now is to drive straight to Queenstown, pick up a Toyota Prius, hopefully tomorrow. I'm supposed to go to Dunedin and then Caitlin's and then Queenstown, but I want to pick up that Prius because I've already spent a ton of money on gas, and I don't want to spend that much on gas, and Priuses are really good on gas, and I might buy, I kind of want to buy a Prius now because that was really good on gas. But plans are ruined to take night pictures, and hopefully Caitlin's we can do it. Peace! You make me